Hi there, and welcome to this month's edition of Learning Factory Developer Diaries. My name is Georgie, and lots of things have changed since last time we've released an episode of our diaries. So let's go ahead and give it a look. Perhaps you've noticed this big shiny thing on top of the screen. These are our brand new machine learning models. It's a neural network, which is a way more powerful version of linear or polynomial regression, and it basically does the same thing. It helps setting optimal prices in your stores, but it looks badass and it's a real working linear regression. Now, you also can research deep neural network, which is even more shiny and even more powerful. But I won't be showing it to you in this video because we have to maintain the intrigue. Another thing that I won't be showing to you, by the way, is cat manipulators. Oh no, I can show you one actually. Let's create one and maybe show them to you right away. But first, another new building in the game is these little fellas, which are transporter assemblers. Now, they automatically build transporter lines for you until you reach 250 units of transporter in your inventory, after which the production is put on hold, naturally. Speaking about putting things on hold, you can also now press space and voila, here is a game pause for you. It does let you walk around the factory and do stuff, do damage, or hopefully doing some optimization. But all the processes on the factory just stop at this moment, so it's like, it's like controlling time. Very, very cool. Okay, so let's unpause the game now and take a look at that manipulator. So basically it works like your typical manipulator, combined with cat sorter, because it detects cats of certain types and gently removes them from transporter line. So in this case, we'll be taking this cat and sending it to nowhere. Sorry there, little cat. I'm just gonna use those transporters. Yeah, to complete the line, because transporters will be built for me automatically with the transporter assembler. Nice. Another thing that we have, which is new, is hedges. Where are my hedges? Oh, there they are. This is an awkward effort of spelling a meme from a movie. But hedges are actually pretty useful if you want to control the growth of aggressively multiplying Martian plants. So and also they just look beautiful, and you can research them. They are on the terraforming part of the research tree, and have fun with them. Make your factory pretty. Okay, to more minor stuff, we have updated tiles for Earth and for the ocean as well. You can now rename certain buildings, such as machine learning models. Or, I don't know, your stores. You can also name your factory when starting a new game. So go ahead and customize your factory as you wish. Go ahead and give out some names. We also have some new outfits for cat scientists. And by the way, you can now rename cat scientists as well, if you want to. So this is also updated. Most of them are sleeping, of course, but our customers, they never sleep. And you know what? Now they sometimes talk in lines. That's just a funny feature that we decided to add and make a game maybe more lively. Another thing that is new is this thing called scenario mode. In here, you can actually create new maps and fill them with various kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna start this little scenario we have created recently. In the scenario editor, you can do all kinds of things. You can allow or disallow certain crafting or researching stuff. You can allow or disallow the removal of certain items, of any item actually. And you can create, actually you can create a lot of complicated stuff. Here, let me show it to you by starting a new map. Just a simple default map, so you can choose which cats will be visiting your factory, you can choose which items they are going to request. You can also choose the amount of coins, and you can choose the amount of any of the technology available in the game at the moment, and any building. So go ahead and show us what you can do with this, because we're very curious and very curious about what our community can design. So don't hesitate to give it a go. Another thing that's new is that Learning Factory EDU is now available for download on our website completely for free. If you are not familiar with this project, it's a special dedicated version of the game that we are co-developing with teachers to help teaching STEM in middle schools, and in particular engineering thinking by solving problems using scientific method. And if you happen to know an educator who is interested in game-based learning, please don't hesitate to send them a link that you can find below in the description to this video. Don't hesitate to send them a link, because we need as much feedback as we can get to make a kick-butt educational game, Learning Factory EDU. We're planning to release the teacher's guide for the remaining 5 lessons by the end of summer, and until then, you're very free to give it a try. And if you go to our Steam page of Learning Factory, you might actually notice that our roadmap is almost complete in its first stage of early access. So the only thing remaining is adding some more story to the game, which we will do, but we will do that in August, because for now the dev team is going for long-deserved vacations. So wish us good luck. We wish you a good summer or winter if you happen to be in the southern hemisphere. And see you in August. Stay safe, stay cool, play Learning Factory and play some other awesome games. And we will see you really soon. My name is Georgie, and I would like to remind you that we're not controlled by a group of sentient cats. That's a lie. That's totally a lie. We're totally independent game developers making human games by our human hands. So, see you next time. This was Learning Factory Developer Diaries. Bye-bye.